YouTube, it's Alicia here. So I am going to show you a recipe. I am just started today, and I'm going to tell you what you need. You need your Instapot, chicken, and I'm going to give you a recipe as well to make a marinade. So let me get a fork right quick. So you're going to need a fork. And while I get chicken, here's the chicken. I'm going to tell you how to make this marinade first before I put it in. The marinade, I end up using almost half, a good bit of 3/4 a cup of hickory mystique barbecue sauce. Excuse me, I'm tongue twisted. Hickory mystique barbecue sauce. Then I'll take honey mustard that I got from a restaurant that I had plenty of. And let me show you what that's looking like. And this is what it looks like. Comes in a container like this. And I'll put a good big teaspoon of that in here. Alright? It's been currying all day. So I had about a good 8 packs of none other Panda Express packs of soy sauce. And I added that in the chicken. And I let that marinate all day and and I just put the Panda. So that's what's in my marinade. So if you want to try it, there you go. I'll make sure to leave the ingredients down at the bottom and how to make it stuff. So what you need is, for your Instapot, I'll put a good amount, not much, you could say about a good 1/8 cup, not 1/8, excuse me, 1 cup and 2/8 a cup of water in my Instapot. So you're going to take the top. Smells pretty good. And I'm going to tell you, the barbecue sauce and the soy sauce is going to overpower the honey mustard, just to let you know. So you're going to take your meat and you're going to put it in the water. And if you don't want to use the water to cook your chicken in the Instapot, you can actually also use chicken broth. But because I don't have, chicken broth, this is what I'm doing. So, and before I put some in, I'm just flipping them, making sure they get enough in thing. And I'm gonna let y'all know, chicken in the Instapot don't take long to do. With the chicken, it's between 6 to 8 minutes, but I put it on 15 just to make sure I cook it well and done. All right. Get this piece of chicken. Coming down to the last two. Now what I do with my juice, I don't use my juice, but I'm going to use a little bit. I poured just a good amount in. So we're going to take and I usually don't, but like today, there we go. There we go. I just sealed it. I just locked it and sealed it. Now I'm going to plug it up. That's my way of doing it. Okay. Then I go meat stew. It already has the 15 minutes on there. So what you're waiting for it to do is after you put how long you want it to cook, depends on what you're cooking, and give it a couple minutes, and now it's on. So let me turn it where you can see. So it's on, and I got it sealed, and that's it. That's mostly it and everything. But make sure before somebody asks, did I put salt and black pepper on my meat? Yes, I did. I do that when I prep my meat for anything. So yes. So y'all, if you have an idea or what other type of meat you want to see me marinate and cook, please comment below, thumbs up this video, and subscribe to my channel.